Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys view this, keep in mind this is not a comprehensive everything you need to know about the Space Needle, everything you need to know about the Chihuly Gardens. Not an influencer, I don't pretend to be. I don't even like influencers, just to be totally honest with you. This is part of a longer vlog. I did one for Vancouver, I'm releasing one for Seattle. My recommendations, places I went, what I enjoyed, what I didn't, what you can do depending on the time that you're there. Again, based more on my experience versus whatever influencer bullshit. With that said, in this video, I'm giving you an idea of what to expect if you plan on going to the Space Needle in Seattle and the Chihuly Garden. If you buy them together, you do save a little bit of money, so I do recommend. The Chihuly Garden I ended up enjoying a lot more than I thought I would. It's a glass garden, really, really beautiful, a good little walkthrough. And the Space Needle, right, a Seattle classic. You get to go up top. There are spaces where you can stick your camera, take some magnificent pictures. You guys will see that shortly. But again, just really want to give you guys some perspective. If you plan on going, instead of watching the longer vlog that may be 15 to 20 minutes long, this is a short video, what to expect, what you'll see, just to give you guys an idea. Stick around, and I will see you guys next week. Make sure you watch a lot of those videos. Tons of really good stuff on Vancouver, Seattle. All right, enough plugs. I'll see you guys next week. Pretty surprised at how good the coffee and the food is. It's really good. So looking straight down that gets me. Honestly, if I don't look down, I'm fine, but once I look straight down,